Planning a trip to Cape Verde but not sure how to get your visa before you go? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step on how to apply for your Cape Verde visa online. It's easy and I'll make sure you know exactly what to do. Let's get started. First, go to the official Cape Verde visa portal at portalconsular.mnec.gov.cv. I'll put the link in the description so it's easier for you. The website's in Portuguese, so I will translate for you in English. You could also click the Google Translate button on your browser if you have that option. Once you're on the website, you can click Start Session. If you don't have an account, click Register Online. This will bring you to the page where you can create an account. Fill in your personal information like your full name, marital status, gender, date of birth, and phone number. Then click No on the last option if you don't have a Cape Verdean ID card. Don't forget to check the I'm not a robot box, and then click Submit. Check your email for a confirmation message. Click the link in the email and you'll be taken to a page where you can set a new password. Make sure your password is at least 12 characters long. Now that you've logged in, click on Services and then Visa. Scroll down, select Order Visa Online. You'll see your details from the account that you set up. Click Change to update your information. You need to add your father's name and your mother's name, your home address, and your profession. Next, you can scroll down and choose the type of visa you want. For example, we selected the 90-day tourist visa. Then fill out your passport information, including the country of issue, the passport number, location of emission, the date of emission, and its expiration date. Now you'll need to upload a passport-style photo of yourself, as well as a scanned copy of the photo page from your passport. Click on the Upload Documents in the first box. Upload your photo. If you don't have a picture of yourself, have a friend take one for you with your phone. Make sure you look nice. In the second box, upload your scanned passport page. Select the visa duration you want. So for this example, it's 90 days. And the reason of your visit is tourism. You can leave the observation section blank, then click Submit. Next, you'll be directed to the payment page. Choose your payment method. Visa, MasterCard, or local Cape Verdean bank cards are accepted. If you need an invoice, fill out the details below that. Then enter your payment information and proceed. After the payment is processed, you'll see a success page. Within 24 hours, you will receive an email with a QR code. You can scan that QR code with your phone and it'll open up your new visa. You can print it out or save it to your computer. If you can't use the QR code, you can log in to the website again with your login information and you'll see under your documents that your visa is there. You can then print it out. And now you're all set for your trip to Cape Verde. Enjoy your journey to Cape Verde and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you found this guide helpful. Safe travels.